Here we are again, just me and you, comedian, right? With your blasters, your flashing eye, you should better be prepared because soon your last hour strikes. One step left now, it's almost time. Show you what my determination has still left for you to get back to. You should prepare to just die. Like all your friends, you have a really good time. But guys like you are always just fools. Come at me, try to kill me with your fancy tours. Let's go, now the room gets chiller. Let's go, just another killer. Go ahead, kill me again, I see you're able. But inside you know the end can be bad. I can tell you're really tired out of fighting, but I even come back after dying. Why not let me win? You can dodge forever, even if the pain is more fun together. You know I will just reset and come back nearer. And with every try I'm getting even faster than you are. I am made. This is where it starts, this is where it ends. You keep telling me those words and hope that I would understand. But even if I hear you, I won't give up my attempt. Can you just not see the truth? Can you not see what this all meant? Go ahead, try it as you're able. But inside you know the end can be evaded. You think I might decide to stop if you stay patient, but I am getting you with my determination. So I disappear, erasing all what's there.